Bahco Tool Storage Solutions. Your challenge, our expertise. We create bespoke solutions. The best tool storage solution for your workplace. Made in Europe to the highest standards. Solutions molded to your tool storage needs. Premium quality at the heart of your business. Helping to solve your challenge with our industry knowledge. Bespoke solutions and off-the-shelf designs. And always with the best tools. Bahco Tool Storage Solutions. Your challenge, our expertise.